Hello friends, are you ready to discover one of the smartest air fryer gadgets of 2025? But before we start, make sure to subscribe to Kitchen and Home Review, hit the bell icon, and don't forget to like this video, so you never miss our next amazing review. This amazing kitchen tool can save you time, cook faster, and make your favorite dishes healthier, all with just one touch. Wait till you see how powerful and easy it really is. Watch carefully, and tell me in the comments which feature or design you love the most. Let's get that. Air fryer basket. Keep your air fryer spotless with these reusable silicone air fryer liners. The perfect fit for 3 to 5 quart baskets. Measuring 7.5 inches, these sturdy, heat-resistant liners are built to handle high temperatures while keeping your food crispy and your basket clean. No more scrubbing or tearing paper liners, just cook, lift, and rinse. Made from premium food-grade silicone, they're non-stick, dishwasher-safe, and reusable hundreds of times. Ideal for fries, wings, veggies, and desserts, these air fryer accessories make cooking easier, cleaner, and more eco-friendly. Upgrade your air frying today with these durable silicone liners. Air fryer basket for oven. Transform your oven into an air fryer with the Openness large air fryer basket and tray set. Measuring 15.6 by 11.6 inches, this stainless steel basket gives you extra space for baking, grilling, and crisping your favorite foods. The elevated mesh design lets hot air circulate evenly, delivering that perfect golden crunch. No flipping needed. It also includes 30 parchment papers to prevent sticking and make cleanup effortless. Ideal for fries, chicken wings, veggies, and more. This oven air fryer basket and tray combo is your all-in-one solution for healthy, crispy cooking at home. Cook smarter with Openness. Air fryer cooking guide booklet. Looking to make air frying easier and smarter in 2025 and 2026? Check out these must-have air fryer accessories. Start with the air fryer cheat sheet magnets cooking guide booklet. It gives you instant cooking times, temperatures, and food tips right on your fridge. No more guessing or overcooking. Pair it with air fryer silicone liners to keep your basket clean and oil-free every time. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these air fryer cookbooks and tools make cooking faster, healthier, and more fun. Perfect kitchen gifts and gadgets for any home cook in 2025 and beyond. Simplify your air frying today. Air fryer egg molds. Start your mornings right with the 4 PCS air fryer egg molds, your new go-to for quick, fun, and healthy cooking. Made from high-quality non-stick silicone, these molds are perfect for eggs, muffins, toast cups, or mini pancakes. They're reusable, heat-resistant, and super easy to clean, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Each mold comes with a lid to prevent spills and keep your air fryer spotless. Whether you're meal prepping or making breakfast on the go, these air fryer accessories make cooking fast, neat, and delicious. Upgrade your kitchen with these colorful, must-have silicone egg molds today. Air fryer muffin pan. Upgrade your baking game with the 2-packs premium steel muffin pan. The perfect choice for muffins, cupcakes, or brownies. Made from durable, non-stick premium steel, these 6 cup-round baking trays deliver even heat for perfect golden results every time. Whether you're baking breakfast treats, party cupcakes, or mini desserts, cleanup is a breeze thanks to the smooth non-stick coating. With 2 pans included, you can bake more in less time, ideal for home bakers or gift giving. Bring professional quality baking to your kitchen with these black premium muffin pans, your new go-to baking essential. Air fryer silicone liners pot. Make air frying easier and cleaner with these 8-inch air fryer silicone liners. Designed for 3 to 5 quart air fryers, these reusable silicone pots are a game changer for your kitchen. Made from premium, food-grade silicone, they're non-stick, heat-resistant, and safe for air fryers, ovens, and microwaves. No more scrubbing stuck on grease. Just rinse or toss them in the dishwasher for quick cleanup. The unique raised texture design helps circulate air evenly, ensuring your food stays crispy on the outside and tender inside. Perfect for baking, roasting, frying, or reheating your favorite dishes. Each pack includes 2 liners, 1 red and 1 black, so you can cook multiple meals with style and convenience. Upgrade your cooking experience with these reusable air fryer silicone liners. Eco-friendly, durable, and designed to make every meal easier and cleaner. Air fryer paper liners. Say goodbye to messy cleanups with Baker's signature air fryer paper liners. These 8-inch square disposable liners are perfectly designed for 5 to 8 quart air fryers, making your cooking experience easier and cleaner than ever. Each pack includes 125 non-stick, oil-proof liners that keep your basket spotless while preserving the flavor of your food. No more scrubbing or sticky residue. Just lift, toss, and you're done. Made from premium, food-grade parchment paper, they can handle high heat and keep your meals crispy and healthy. Ideal for frying, baking, roasting, or reheating. These liners save time, reduce oil, and make cleanup effortless. Upgrade your air fryer game with Baker's signature air fryer paper liners, because cooking should be simple, clean, and delicious. Silicone air fryer basket liners pot. Make air frying cleaner and easier with the collapsible silicone air fryer basket liners pot. Featured on the Today Show. These reusable silicone bowls fit perfectly in 3 to 5 quart air fryers, giving you a mess-free cooking experience every time. No more scrubbing sticky residue, just cook, lift, and rinse. Made from high-quality, heat-resistant silicone, they're safe, durable, and eco-friendly. The collapsible design saves space, while the red and blue tube pack adds a pop of color to your kitchen. Perfect for fries, chicken, or desserts. These must-have air fryer accessories make cleanup quick and cooking fun. Silicone air fryer liners. Upgrade your air frying with Linda's Essentials reusable square silicone air fryer liners. This 3-pack of 8.5-inch liners fits most air fryers, giving you a clean, non-stick surface every time you cook. No more scrubbing or wasting paper, just rinse and reuse. Made from premium, heat-resistant silicone, they're safe, durable, and built for daily use. Plus, you'll get a handy cooking cheat sheet and recipe book to make meal prep faster and easier. Silicone baking sheet pan dividers. Reimagine the way you cook with the silicone baking sheet pan dividers, the ultimate upgrade for your kitchen. These non-stick, reusable bakeware trays let you cook multiple dishes at once without mixing flavors. Perfect for meal prep, air fryer, or oven cooking, each divider features sturdy, heat-proof handles for easy lifting and safe handling. Made from premium food-grade silicone, they're durable, flexible, and a breeze to clean. No more scrubbing stuck-on messes. Whether you're roasting veggies, baking chicken, or reheating leftovers, these pan dividers make cooking smarter, faster, and cleaner. Simplify mealtime with this must-have reusable baking set. Thanks for watching, friends. I'd love to hear from you. What do you think about today's air fryer? Did you find any feature that really impressed you? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I always enjoy reading your feedback. And if you love exploring smart home and kitchen gadgets, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next review. And thanks again for watching Kitchen and Home Review.